Protests against Auxillia Mnangagwa's attendance at Flare Summit 17 to 19 June 2025 in London. Samda mashuka kuno konzi aiwa pana maprotests akaplaniwa ekuya kuzo imbarasa First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa aiwa ku London kuchasangana ma First Ladies in South Africa not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team there is a planned protest organized by various human rights groups within the UK opposing the participation of Auxillia Mnangagwa at the Flare Summit being held in London from 17 to 19 June, with the protest taking place on 17 June. Auxillia Mnangagwa, First Lady of Zimbabwe, speaking at this summit, her participation risks legitimizing a regime notorious for human rights abuses, corruption and repression, while Zimbabwe suffer under President Mnangagwa's authoritarian rule. The Zimbabwean government has intensified its crackdown on dissent with arbitrary detentions of journalists like Blessed Mhlanga, imprisoned for 71 days for interviewing a critic of Mnangagwa in prosecution of opposition members and activists. He was granted bail on Tuesday, 6 May, after spending over 2 months in prison. The Flare Summit, by hosting Auxillia Mnangagwa, becomes a stage for ZANU-PF limb propaganda, laundering the regime's tarnished reputation. In response, Tech to Zimbabwe has launched the Flacid Summit, First Ladies of African Criminally Insane Detectors, a satirical counter event exposing the fact hosted on our platform. Doma shkwarkuda pangwa ine arikonekwa kunzi aiwa UK aisi kufara pamusoro pedissent iri kuitwa nethe regime icho ichiaresta majournalist ari innocent. Panguva ino vanhu vari vachikomenda vachiti chipi chimbi yakaitwa nethe regime kubuditsa Blessed Mhlanga yanga kuri tori kutya aiwa kwaita vana First Lady just because they have heard zvavakarongerwa kuitiwa muLondon next month. Tudze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.